Hello from the remote field office for the Hanging with Herky Empire, aka Thelma Lou.
Yep.
The adventure van.
The adventure van. And Herky is loving it. He likes his little perch that we made for him. And it's a great storage. So thank you, Jeff Babby, for that suggestion.
Great idea.
Yes.
So, hey, we, in real time, we're up in Banff, Canada. In you all's time,
we just finished the Great River
Road.
And it was amazing. I love all the small towns. And Wisconsin was surprising, just all the farmland, and it's neat to get off the main drag and just wander through the countryside.
It was really cool. We picked it up there in Clinton, a little below Clinton in Eau Claire, Iowa. We boondocked that night at the world's largest truck stop.
Yes.
There in Wilcott, Iowa.
And we've done that many times.
It's a great place to spend the night. And then from there, we went over to Eau Claire, Iowa, and that's pretty much where we started the Great River Road.
Right.
It was a lot of fun. We caught that sighting of the train right there by the river. It was really good.
Yeah, while we were having our lunch. Well, we had breakfast and lunch there, actually. So, yeah, it was just...
We spent a few hours there.
Yeah.
We were able to visit antique archaeology again.
That was fun. Ed didn't let me buy anything, but oh well.
The prices in there are a little spendy. So,
yeah.
Yeah, we didn't do that.
I don't imagine they sell a lot of stuff. But.
So then from there, you've seen us go up to Clinton, Iowa, and we had a really good time in Clinton. So I'm going to concentrate on driving and pass this camera to Nancy. So anyway, we got distracted there. I think what we're saying is we had went there to Clinton after we moved up from Eau Claire. Beautiful scenery along the river there. Nancy was really surprised at how small the river kept getting as we were going up.
Well, and at the end, it just is a small creek, so that's amazing. Then we found a wonderful COE campground. That was fun.
We've got some messages like when we use these words like COE and things like that, sometimes people don't know what we're talking about. So I need to back up and say that is the Army Corps of Engineers.
Right.
So when we say COE, that's what that is. So we found this park called Blackhawk. Yeah.
Nice park. Showers for what, 13 a night, 12?
Yep.
Yeah. So anyway, you know what? It does pay to get old because we just got a national park pass up here in Canada, and because we're old, we got it reasonably cheap.
So with our America the Beautiful pass, the senior pass,
right?
The Corps of Engineers, the COE parks are half price. So
right.
We always try to make sure that we stay at those ones. We weren't planning on staying there. We didn't even know it was there. We were just driving down the road and actually seen it. So that was pretty good. From there, we pretty much just made our way on up. We actually ran into a detour. And
that's right, because there's like a big spot in our video where
we're off the road.
We're missing in action because we had to go around a really big detour and then got back down onto it. So, but yeah, I mean, the trip was great. We had a good time. Now this week, you're going to see us at Lake Itasca. And that's where we step across the Mississippi and just
headwaters,
right? Yeah. It's just beautiful. We had a good time, so be looking for that. And then we will keep driving up here and take you with us as we go.
Yeah, be watching for the video. I think you'll really like it.
Hang on, I'll give you a sneak peek.
Oh yeah, take a look outside. Can you believe these mountains and everything? Whoop, truck.
Can you believe that big truck? I mean, it's just amazing. So
we're gonna keep these midweek chat updates kind of short because we got to do them live on the road. We are actually going to video this now and immediately put it out. So this is almost live. So.
And we are look back here. Can you tell we have been living in this thing for almost 2 weeks now?
Almost 2 weeks, yeah.
And I have supper going in the crock pot in the sink. We're having Polish sausage and sauerkraut and potato salad. So that's for supper
The van's
tonight.
probably not going to smell too good.
No,
tonight.
no, but you know what? It's nice just to put things in the crock pot and let it go, and then when we stop for the night, dinner is ready.
So in our videos that you're seeing right now, Tom and Susan have not caught up to us yet.
Right.
They are actually have caught up to us about 3 days ago.
As you can see.
They're actually in front of us in their runaway. So in the videos after that, you'll be seeing them. So, all right, we're gonna let you go. I'm pulling into a checkpoint here for where they're gonna check the pass. So, anyway, thanks for watching our videos. We appreciate you tuning in every week and follow us as we head up to the Arctic again for our second adventure, second time up there. Be really good. Bye, and we'll catch you later. Nancy's turned into cameraman.
Bye now.